Assalamu alaikum, student of class 9. This is your computer class. Today our chapter is fundamental of computer. We are going to follow the new book. Chapter is fundamental of computer. The first topic is buses. Computer buses, we have three kind of computer buses: control bus, data bus and address bus. What is the bus? Buses or bus lane are electronic data roadway through which bits are transmitted with the CPU and between the CPU and other component of the motherboard. Electronic data roadway through which bits are transmitted within the CPU and between the CPU and other component of the motherboard. Types of buses: data bus, address bus and control bus. Data bus. The data bus is a system within a computer or device consisting of a connector or set of wire that provide transportation for data. Different kinds of data buses have involved along with personal computer and other piece of hardware. Data bus carries data between the processor, memory unit and other component. The data bus allow data to travel back and forth between the microprocessor, CPU and memory RAM. Address bus. The address bus identify which memory location will come into play. This is found in every microcomputer. The address bus is important is that the number of the lanes in its tell the maximum number of memory addresses. Address bus carries the address of the data but not the data. The address bus is used to specify memory location to be used by microprocessor for specific operation. Control bus. The control bus carries the control units signal. Control unit direct the transfer of data from main memory to arithmetic logic unit. Control bus carries command between different components to control all activities in a computer. Input devices: text entering devices, pointing devices, image scanners and other type of input devices. Input devices are used to enter data into computer. These devices can be categorized into text entering, pointing and image scanning devices. Text entering devices. Keyboard is the most common text entering device and used to enter data usually in text format or to perform other controlling function when a key is pressed. Keyboard control chip send its corresponding code in keyboard buffer called scan code, which it is processed by CPU. They are used for the quick movement of cursor on a screen needed, usually in graphic mode. It includes mouse, joystick, trackball and trackpad. Image scanner convert image into electronic format understandable by computer through light sensing. They also work on optical recognition, which occurs when a device scans a clear printed surface and translate the image into a machine readable format that a computer understand. Image scanner include optical reader (OMR), optical barcode reader (OBR), and optical character recognition (OCR). Other type of input devices: There are also other input devices. For example, microphones are used to accept sound input and convert it in digital audio format. Microphones are also used for voice recognition, which can convert voice input into text file. Touch screen is also used for input. It accepts input directly on monitor by touching finger or any other on the screen and any other object on the screen. Magnetic ink character recognition (MICR) and magnetic strip reader are also used for input. What we done in this class? The topic of computer buses, and the second topic we have done input devices. Thank you.